shack. And I was just camping, and I found this boat out in the middle of nowhere, I guess. But I feel a bit unsafe exploring it, so I brought this stick. So we are going to explore this ship. I wouldn't really call it a ship, I would call it a boat. I have something, yes. And when you climb in, and when you climb in, you have this Jaws pillow. This was no boat accident. Sorry, there's so much mosquitoes. But there's so much of this, like, graffiti of a skeleton with one eye. And so, there it is again. I'm a bit scared to go inside again, but I'll do it for you. In there, I know, is some empty Red Bulls. So, as you can see, there's empty Red Bulls. There's a little freezer with nothing in it. There's a gross toilet. There's a life jacket. There's just some seats up there. There's the steering wheel area. There's the radio. Here's this little knob of the thrust, I guess. The horn, the blower, and so forth. As you can see, when I try and turn it on, nothing happens. And so, but the radio cord is just snapped off, so not too much to see there. But if you go upstairs, there's just another, if you go upstairs, there's another steering wheel. Okay. There's the steering wheel. I'll go completely up so I can take a nice video up from there. It's nice and pretty. There's the thrust things. So, pretty nice looking. It's a nice overview. And as I attempt to get down without falling, so please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!